Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to play YouTube videos in the background. Many of us want to play YouTube music as well as use other apps on our phone. But usually YouTube music or any video doesn't play in the background. If we want to play YouTube music or video or any album in background, we need an app. The name of the app is Music app. Those who have iPhone 11, 12 and 13 have the app by default. If someone doesn't have this Music app on their iPhone, then they have to install it from the App Store. Go to App Store and click on the search bar and type Music. Music, simple music streaming must be installed from here. Then open the app. Then click on more option below. After clicking, we will see an interface like this. From here, click on YouTube login. After clicking on YouTube login, we will see the interface of YouTube here. From here, you can play any music or any video you like, or you can also search and play what you want to play. I am playing a music from here for your understanding. Play the music and exit the apps now. The music we played here didn't play in the background after exiting the apps. Now we have to go to the control center. After going to control center, we can see the music we played from Music app is paused on the top right side. From here, we will play and go out. Our music is playing in the background. Now you can use any apps along with background music if you want. So this was today's video. Hope you have understood a little bit how we play music in the background. Subscribe to our Apple Info YouTube channel to get more new iPhones videos like this. And if you like the video, then don't forget to like, comments and share. Thanks for watching. Thinking I should ask if you're doing